Do you struggle to know what to write about in your blogs and how to write them? I'm Sam from Firewave, and in this Whiteboard Wednesday, I'm going to explain to you exactly how to do it. So I have a handy little mnemonic called Arena, A-R-E-N-A. And this little tool is going to help you know exactly how to write your content, and specifically your blog posts. So many agents come to me and say, I really don't know how to write my blogs. I don't know how to start, how to finish, and what goes in between. So once you've got your topic, this is how I suggest you tackle your blog posts. It's a really good little system. So A is affinity. Now let's say you're writing a blog post called What to Do Before a Viewing. Affinity is something that's going to get them nodding as they read the first part of your blog post. So it could be, do you have a viewing coming up and you're worried about it? Or do you feel anxious when you think about all the things you need to do to get your house ready for a viewing? Or are you concerned about making sure your buyer falls in love with your home when they come and view it? So that's going to get people nodding. The next thing you're going to do is reassure them. You're going to go, don't worry, we've worked with hundreds or thousands of homeowners just like you, and we have a very simple answer. So that reassures them and it helps them feel that you're in control and they want to read on. The next part is explain. Now this is, sometimes I call this an easy win. So sometimes it can be, 6 things to do before a viewing, and you just set them all out. Make sure the dogs and the kids are out the room and the fire's lit and all those lovely things. I'm sure you know what you're talking about there. So that's the that's the explain or the easy win part. Then you're going to just wrap up what you've just told them and say something like, so as you can see, by following our 6 easy steps, you'll make sure that every buyer that walks through your door absolutely loves your home and makes an offer. Action. What do you want them to do next? If this is you, or if you'd like some more help and advice on this topic, please give us a call. Phone number, email, however you want them to get in contact with you. So it's a really easy system for writing a blog. And actually, you can probably write 500 words very, very simply using exactly that. We actually use it ourselves for our videos. It's really easy to follow, and it means that you're not trying to struggle to find out what to say next. Now, we share tips and advice and lots more like this to independent estate agents all over the UK. And if you want to know about how to be a member, all you do is go to fire-wave.co.uk/start, and you'll find out then whether your area is available. If it is, we'll be back in touch and let you know what the next steps are. Thanks very much for watching. See you on the next Whiteboard Wednesday.